Hey my friend, let me be completely honest with you. Over the past few years, I have tried literally every online business model you can imagine. Dropshipping, trading, faceless YouTube channels, marketing agencies, copywriting, you name it. I worked like crazy, but for one reason or another, every business failed. I am not ashamed to say it because I know many of you are going through the exact same thing. So today, I don't want to waste your time. I am here to show you something real, something that will make both me and you a good amount of money. No need for 10,000 followers, no need for skills, no need to spend a single dollar. I can guarantee you that if you and I start today, we can genuinely make at least $1,000 in the next 30 days. In the next few minutes, I will break down what Hub actually is, how it works, how we can use it to make money, and step by step what you need to do to start from scratch. Even if you have failed at everything before, like me, and as a gift, I am giving you access to my private Discord server where everyone will help each other to make money using Hop. I will post all my viral clips, scripts, and edited videos there. You can literally take my content, post it as your own, and start earning. I honestly want to build a community that will take this golden opportunity to generate a serious amount of money. Click the link in my description and you will reach this page. And if you don't have an account on Hub, please create one using your Google or any other. Then click learn. And here you have the free course that will teach you everything A to Z to start earning from Hope. And this course is very good because it is launched by the Hope University official. You can see in the right side here is everything you need to know from A to Z actually. So let's skip this part and let me show you how it works actually and how we can make money from it. Click discover from the left and scroll down to content doers. So we will make the money from content doers. That means we need to make reels, then upload it into YouTube, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. Then we'll get paid based on how much views we get. So here we can see lots of projects that is been launched by business owners or companies or content creators that is paying $3 per 1000 views, $1 per 1000 views, and so on. Like many projects actually, and you can see here we have a very big opportunity to create reels and actually make money. And let me tell you one thing: the first one to start makes the most amount of views and get the most amount of money. So we will select newest from here and we can see the newest projects that are coming here so that we can start first and actually make clips on that. We will have the greater chance to go viral every time and make the most amount of money. We will select the project that has the most amount of budget, and if you don't have an idea on how to make videos, then click submissions. You will see lots of videos submitted by other users. Let me show you this video. This guy has made $3,500 from the simple drill. From this simple one 48-second video, this guy has made $3,500. This guy has also made $3,500 from this simple 30-second reel, 35-second reel. Like, this is actually insane. And here are lots of other videos if you scroll, and actually you need to do your own research. So let me show you how to actually submit a video. I have already made some videos. Let me show you that. So here you can see. So before submitting a video, you must read the requirements and description and disclaimer. So this guy has only two requirements. That is, videos must be 10 seconds long and we need to take in just. So I have made 4 videos. Let me show you one. So I have made these videos and these videos has now over 800 views and I will get paid $1 per 1000 views from this kind of reel. You can see this reel is very simple. So let me show you how to submit it. Submit a reel actually. So click submit from here. Then you need to put your Instagram reel link here and upload the original file here. And make sure to connect your Instagram account, YouTube account from the settings. So now let me tell you the process to join my private Discord server. In the Discord server, you'll meet people like you who will be trying to earn money using Hope. And also I'll be releasing my own videos, clips and edits there so that you can take my content and use it as your own and earn money, and also any new opportunities in Hope that will make us money. So make sure to join my Discord server. To join my Discord server, go to the YouTube description and click the link saying Discord and you'll find this reel here. Then you need to comment Discord like this and make sure to follow. Then you get the link in your DM. Let me show you. So here's a DM like this, you will get a DM like this, and if you click the link here, then you can easily join my Discord just by accepting my invite.